I got the diamonds all over the fist. 2 turbo taking my shit looking wet. Bad boy 100, we going right in. You niggas copy, you act like a twin. 2 sets of bitches, we fucking they friends. Niggas are fake, gotta cut the loose ends. 2 sets of
Honey, I'm home.
What's up, baby?
Oh, what's up, dog?
Hey, guess who I'm on the phone with?
My mom.
Race car driver Chuck.
Oh, race cars are
Chuck.
big money, Chuck.
Say what's up, Chuck.
Hey, what's up, sexy?
We're talking.
You're right. If I don't get my pants, dude, I want my money back.
Yeah, you thought the Pro Charger was fast. You ain't seen nothing.
Dude, I've been in the fastest car ever in the world, so.
Yeah.
It's a Huffy bike.
What's going on, everybody? You know what I'm saying? We here at Troy's house, you feel me?
So Troy's got to change the oil in his girl's car, and then once we're done that, or mainly him because he's doing it, but we're gonna take this Jimmy John out. He got this little shifter car, tipping on 4/4s. We got a big finesse. My man just be finessing with the trades and shit. What's that Barter King show? Barter Kings.
Barter King.
Oh, what's that? Got Sam's Audi out here. Oh. Is that a Cummins, bro? Oh shoot, what, are you gonna drive it like this?
Yeah. Where are you putting it?
What?
We're good for a little bit.
Yo, this is the money shot.
See that money shot on
the money shot, baby.
that one website?
It's the oil cooler, right? Got a zip tied on there. We gotta hear what this bitch sounds like. Where's your? You don't have your exhaust on there? Start her up, baby. Sounds so good. So the oil change is done. About to take the Audi out, and while we get the Audi going, he's gonna get the go-kart out, move this shit out the way, and then we're gonna have, I don't know, I'm curious to see like how that little thing pulls. Be kind of cool. Rev it up. Woo! Neighbor opened up the window, about to yell at us. ISF, baby. Something fell off. It's too fucking low, bro. Oh, what fell off?
I was like, bang!
What was that?
Sway bar piece. Yeah, that thing pulls, man.
Hell yeah, that shit was dope.
Good. I want to do a pull with you. Let's get on 10 and do like a little second gear. Alright. Alright, 40 miles.
Bet
You want me, baby?
Bet it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Something's hanging. He hit this big old bump. Okay, we're about to do a pull real quick. He's got to get some zip tie, whatever the hell is hanging down. And we gonna do some pulleys, you feel me? This car actually pulls pretty good, and it's sucking in all that nice air with the hood off, so it's gonna be dope. Whoa. That's mine. Fell out of my pocket. You ready to gap him? You're gonna gap him, right?
Damn sure try.
Yeah, look at that ass. Nice ass, baby. This definitely makes more than 4, bro. Skip it, boo boo.
Good shit. And then you were like hit it, and then my turbo spooled, and then it started keeping up. It was fast.
But he's putting 85 in there?
Yeah.
Now he really, you gotta put, you're putting an E85 just so you can keep up with this thing, bro.
Yo, I wanted to race you again. Yeah, we'll gas. That was good. That was really good. That's all I'm guessing. Dude, I told you were gonna hang with me, man. That thing.
Hell yeah.
That's easy probably making 600 horsepower, 550.
That's what I said. I said 550 at least.
Gotta be.
All right, Troy's all fueled up. Time for round 2. Round 2.
Start her up. Service. God damn. What'd you forget?
I was making sure my E85 sensor didn't come up.
boost, like, I feel like it'd be a lot closer.
I know, but if I got so much turbo lag.
I know. This bitch rips. It's that middle thing. You're hitting their sway bar.
So,
You should hit 2-step real quick.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend.
Kick a bitch, call me Luke K. Dumb bitch, give me dumb bread, y'all. Wrist wet.
No, you just kept on jumping, bro. Like, it's like, I bet it's rips now, though, dude. Time for the go-kart.
alright.
It looks so uncomfortable.
It is, dude. I'm gonna.
There she goes again.
That shit smells so good. Hey, yo.
Did it look like it was moving by?
Yeah, well, no, when you finally like got like up to speed a little bit, when you passed me, you're moving. Adjust the brakes, you can drift it. Yeah. It smells good.
Hell yeah.
Yo, when you let off of it, like at like. I know. I need to get one of those.
It's
yeah, that joint was
for
dope.
left hand.
Yeah.
Spin around. But I have other tires.
Let me know when you're doing the brakes. I'll help you. That would be dope. Yeah, that thing's sick though. Hell yeah, you got it for the Steely. Pretty much for free. Chief beef. Chief beef. I didn't mean to wake you up. I didn't mean to wake you up, bro.
She's fine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past like praise rewind to see that as one more time.
And I got this soda, but people they know us.
Chief. Alright, so we just got out of there. I want to say thanks to my boy Troy. Let me check out the go-kart and stuff. I don't know, I can't wait for us to start messing with it, especially once we get like a 12 horsepower motor and everything. I think it's gonna rip, but we just gotta adjust the brakes and whatever. Hell yeah, this is lit. It was a lit little day, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
It's 2 sets of whips and we driving the Benz. 2 sets of guns and we shoot out your head.
I got the diamonds all over the fist. 2 on the tech and that shit looking wet. Bad boy 100, so we going